Hello everyone, welcome to the Robotic Electronics YouTube channel. Today in this video, we will be discussing about NE555 timer and its applications and about its circuit. Let us move on to the topic. NE555 timer. 555 timer was first designed by Hans Kamison in 1971. It is an integrated circuit and it is the most stable integrated circuit. It can produce accurate time delay and any oscillations. It can be operated in three modes: monostable mode, bistable mode, and stable mode. NE555 timer consists of 8 pins. You can look at the schematic view of the 555 timer with different pins. This is the IC, 555 timer IC. See, these are the pin configurations of 555 timer. Pin 1 is ground, trigger, output, reset, control, threshold, discharge, and VCC respectively. And this is the real-time image of 555 timer, and the IC looks in this way. Yeah, this is the internal circuit of 555 timer. There are many number of bipolar junction transistors inside the circuit and different resistors, diodes, etc. And these are the output pins: VCC, control, threshold, trigger, etc. This is the internal circuit. By remodifying this internal circuit, we can get the circuit in this way. The input voltage to this 555 timer is about 4.5 volts to 15 volts. 555 timer circuit consists of many blocks. This is the voltage divider block, where the voltage is divided in this sector. This is the comparator block, where two op amps are used. This is the flip-flop, and here the transistor is used for discharging, and here it is the output. Let us look on to the brief of this circuit. Since there is a voltage dividing circuit, by using the voltage dividing rule, we can get the voltages at these two nodes. The voltage at this node is 1 by 3 VCC by using voltage dividing rule. Similarly, voltage at this node is 2 by 3 VCC. So these are the terminals connected to the op amps. This is the positive terminal and this is the negative terminal of op amp. Similarly, positive and negative terminal of this op amp. Let us look brief into the working. When the threshold and the trigger will be giving as the input externally. When the threshold value is greater than 2 by 3 VCC, then the output of this op amp will be 1. That means high. Similarly, 1 by 3 VCC and trigger are high. 1 by 3 VCC is greater than trigger, then the output will be 1. That will be given to R and S, that is to this SR flip-flop. If 2 by 3 VCC is greater than threshold, then the output will be 0. So in this way the circuit works. Before going on to the working of this circuit, let us look after this flip-flop. This is a characteristics table of the SR flip-flop. When S is 0 and R is 0, then the output is previous state, that is Q. And S is 0 and R is 1, output is 0. And S is 1 and R is 0, output is 1. And when both are 1, it is not allowed state. This is the characteristic table of SR flip-flop. Now let us look on to the 555 timer. See, when the threshold value is greater than 2 by 3 VCC, when it is greater, output will be 1. When trigger value is greater than 1 by 3 VCC, then the output will be 0. R will be 1, S will be 0. Then output will be 0. It means low. Similarly, when it is opposite, like 2 by 3 VCC is greater than threshold, this will be 0. And 1 by 3 VCC is greater than trigger, then this will be 1. Then the output will be 1. That means high, some voltage. And the current at the output terminal ranges up to 200 milliamperes. And here a transistor is used to discharge the external voltages that are in the circuit. This is all about the 555 timer circuit. Now let us move on to the applications. 555 timer circuit is used as relaxation oscillator and in many timing delay circuits. starting from the toys, mixers, and some gadgets, and even in aeroplanes, 555 timers are being used. By arranging the external pins with different capacitor and resistor elements, it can be used as bistable, astable, and monostable multivibrator. Like the external pins, threshold, trigger, when these pins are arranged with some circuit of resistors and capacitive elements, then the circuit can be used as different type of multivibrator. This is all about the 555 timer circuit. Please subscribe to this channel and like our video. Thank you.